Welcome to DIY Saturday with me, your host, Shundara. Hey, are you savvy naturalistas? So this Saturday, I'm starting a new series. It's called DIY Saturday. And pretty much this whole series is about beauty, skincare tips. So if you're like me and your face gets tired during the whole week and you want to pamper yourself on the weekend, on a Saturday, of course, then you have come to the right channel. Also, if you've been following my blog for a while, you probably know I do a lot of DIYs on the blog. So, yeah, I just wanted a better way to connect with you readers versus me just writing to you. So I hope we get to connect, and I hope you really enjoy this series. I'll be doing it for a few weeks, and then we'll have a hiatus, and then I'll see you for a few more weeks. So I really hope you enjoyed this series. So let's get started with what we're going to make today for DIY Saturday. We're going to do matcha scrub cups. And if you know me and you know my blog, you know me and matcha are like cake and ice cream. We love each other. So pretty much I have a lot of matcha recipes on the blog. I am obsessed with it, and it's one of my favorite green teas. It's not one of the highest grade of green teas, but to me, I love matcha, and it just doesn't get enough attention as it should. So, matcha, I love you. Anyways, for this DIY, you'll need a muffin tin. I got this at the dollar store. You can get this anywhere. You can get this at the 99-cent store, which is totally different from the dollar store. You can get it at Dollar General. You can get these at Walmart, Target. If you don't have these, you can get ice cube trays. You can use those. Anything that you can like pop out. I prefer this because it makes bigger cups and they scrub the whole entire body. That's why I prefer this. But if you want something a little more portable, then you can get the ice cube things, and they're cubes, and they're smaller. But I like this because it will scrub the whole body versus the cube. So this is perfect. You will need coconut oil. This coconut oil is not organic. It's conventional coconut oil. If you follow my clean eating series, Slim or Slim Down right now, which I'm doing to lower my portions, I do do certain things organic and certain things I don't do organic. And if you have coconut oil that's not organic, it's okay to use any coconut oil you have. I just like this one because it's cheaper. I'm gonna just be honest, it's cheaper. And it really works. I really like this. You will need lavender oil or any essential oil. I use lavender. Is it showing you guys? Let's see. I use lavender. You can use sweet orange. You can use almond oil. Not almond oil. You can use patchouli. Any essential oil you like. Speaking of patchouli, I had this dream where I think I figured out the oil this lady gave me when I was younger, and I still have that scent to this day, and it was an essential oil. I think she mixed lavender and patchouli. I'm gonna try to mix that today to see if it was the exact scent, and I'm gonna have to give you guys that recipe. That oil smells so good, and if you're like earthy and bohemian like me, then you will love that scent. It smells the bomb. You will also need Miracle Glow oil. This is an oil formulated for all natural skin. It has all natural vitamin E oil found in jojoba oil and hemp seed oil. You can find this at savvynaturalista.com. You can also find it at Amazon. Now, if you do not have access to Miracle Glow, you can use walnut oil. You can use, what else is a good oil? I would say grapeseed oil, but you really want an oil that penetrates into the skin. I'm going to actually share a link to Miracle Glow Seed Oil Body Scrub that I did here. And also, I have a green tea scrub recipe that I did that you guys will love. And I'm going to link it right there somewhere. Yeah, right there. And pretty much this oil penetrates into the skin because coconut oil, once you use the scrubs, it actually seals the water in, but you want an oil that penetrates, and that's what Miracle Glow Seed Oil does. It penetrates the skin while coconut oil leaves that barrier on your skin. So you really don't even have to lotion your body or put a light cream on you after you're done if you combine two good oils on your body. You will also need matcha. You can use any matcha you like. I tend to use two good ones. One from Tavana that's cheaper than this one because this one was like $30 for 2 ounces. But you can use one from Tavana and that's like $20, I think, for 2 ounces. Now, I know that's expensive to some people, but you have to understand that if you're buying a 16-ounce bag of matcha, that's technically not good quality matcha. And if you're putting anything into your body, please make sure it's good quality. I know you want to go cheaper, but cheaper and bigger is not always better. It's all about quality versus quantity when you're dealing with natural products. And I really don't. Dough Matcha and the one at Tavana are the only ones that I know that I can honestly tell you that I only buy. If I'm not buying Dough Matcha, I'm buying the one at Tavana. Those are, please get good quality matcha. If you think your matcha is good quality and you would like to let me know, please let me know, because I would love to try other matchas. I just haven't really gotten down to doing research on them, and those are the only two that I use. So this one and Tavana. So anyways, did I say sugar? Did I tell you guys we need sugar? If I did it and I already said it, I'm sorry. But you need sugar, granulated sugar, raw sugar, any type of sugar you like, you need sugar. We'll be using granulated sugar for this project, and I'm really excited. So let's go make our matcha cups. Okay, so we're about to make our matcha cups, and you'll need a bowl, of course. I forgot to also add that you need a bowl and a spoon. I know I forgot to add that when we were doing the intro to matcha cups. So you will need a bowl. Now, I am going to have the whole entire recipe on my blog, and I'll leave a link to where you can find the recipe. So this is just, if you don't catch on the recipe and you want to, if for reference purposes, it will be on the blog. So 1 cup of sugar. I'm going to do 1 cup of sugar. We're going to do a 1/2 cup, well, 1 cup of coconut oil. And we're going to do 20 drops of Miracle Glow. And we're going to do a tablespoon of matcha. Now, if you don't want to use a tablespoon of matcha because you feel it will probably do, your skin will change colors. If you're fair skin, then you could just do a 1/2 tablespoon. But I like to do a tablespoon of matcha, and I've never had problems with it changing the color of my skin. But if you're fair skin, just do a tablespoon and that'll work perfect. So we're going to mix this up. in our bowl. Want to make sure the matcha gets really into the sugar, and you don't want it clumps in it. Another easy way to do this, which I didn't do, but the first time I made these, was I actually mixed the matcha into the sugar. So it's easier and it won't clump up as much. I don't know why I didn't do that this time, but it's better to mix the matcha into the sugar, and it's 10 times easier, you guys. So if you are making these and you get clumps from the oil, next time you make them, mix the matcha with the sugar and blend it in. I'm gonna put a little more America Glow just because I want the oil to penetrate into my skin. Okay. Okay, so once it's like liquidy like this, you want to put it into your muffin tins. You can fill them up halfway. You can fill them up to the top depending on how many you want and how many you like. It's all up to you. I'm making a mess. Okay, now we're gonna pop these in the fridge, and they should be ready. The freezer, or you could put them in the fridge. The freezer just takes less time to make them really hard. So we're gonna pop these into the freezer, and I'll see you in about 10 minutes when they're done. Okay, we're back, and so they've been in the fridge for about 10 to 15 minutes. And they're pretty much done. This is what they're gonna look like. So all you do is just tap a little bit, tap, tap, and then you turn it over, hold it, and you may need to tap to hear if they come out. And there you go. Lovely matcha scrub cups, as you can see. One is good for one use. You can put them all over your body, your feet. They work really well on the feet. Look how beautiful they are. Just amazing. So I really hope you enjoyed this video with matcha scrub cups. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, and also check out Miracle Glow for a nice moisturizing oil that's perfect on the face for oily as well as dry skin. And I'll see you in our next DIY Saturday video. Bye!